Okay, welcome back to LMM Family Adventures. Like and subscribe, share. Dog barking over there. Alright, we are out for a morning ride. Let's see. Yeah, I've got the camera mounted on the stem of the handlebar now. I've been working on different places and areas to have the camera mountable. So I've got the stem, I've got the chest, and I've got the helmet. Let's see how it goes. A little bit on the stem, and then I'll move it up either to chest or helmet later. But for now, I'm on my way to Donald. I'll catch up with you guys later. Yeah.
But all the rest stuff is different.
No, it does, eh?
I mean, Mandy ride an e-bike, the one that's hard and all that, and then Kylie organised a flipping nice one.
Yeah.
And she says, yes, the back, no bumps, no nothing.
Oh, she got a proper e-bike now.
Oh, there, just in Cape Town.
Oh, in Cape Town.
Yeah, Kylie organised
Okay.
demo. Yeah, proper flipping nice one. Like 140 sound.
Yeah.
But yeah, you see, what a difference. What happened in town, nothing on the back.
Yeah.
It's got its pros and its cons. I mean,
No, it does, eh?
on like gravel roads and that, it's not really a big advantage.
Yeah.
The dual. The other places too, also it's the weight. The weight.
Yeah, move.
It's the weight. The dual gives you a bit more weight too. Hello.
Huh?
I went to reverse.
Oh, okay. That's a bad idea. Yeah.
The single track we come down from the top.
Yes.
It's much better coming down. You can't ride it up.
No, you can't.
It's just too bumpy.
And too steep.
You can't see steep, but also you can't see rock.
Yeah.
So you just get momentum in the front wheel.
Yeah.
I couldn't like to jump off them. You see that little piece where you come down and you cross the road.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Of course, now that is something else. So yeah, running up there is no joke. I could do it now. And it's loose. It's got a total different view from the top.
Yeah. So,
Well, Johnny's got batteries something.
I only met the one.
Yeah, the ones in the back, the other one can't some jobs. He used to stay on the riverside. 500 something for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And the guy got anyone behind him. He was blocking up. That's why he won this gravel world.
Yes.
Because it was like this. The tower counted, you know? And they had to use no support.
Yeah.
So you have to carry what you get. So that's suited him. And then I see them went. And after you see them, but the two of them work together well. And of course, a super tractor, we know massive good guys. But normally bug him up.
Yeah.
So you can see.
Okay, we got some South African wildlife over here. There's some cattle. Just on the other side of this mound, there is another little dam full of water. I won't go up there now. The cattle are there, so we're going to let them finish drinking. Alright, I'm gonna move the helmet now. The camera now to helmet or something. That's the hill we just came up, and we are going that way. So yeah, at the moment to move the camera around, I'm gonna move the bike around. Alright, catch you now. Hello, hello.
May man kom aan hả?
Hier hem weg.
Yeah.
Zijn gedaan. Stop.
Yeah. Okay. Hallo, hallo. Ja, zal je eens afvoeren? Hello! Alright! There's Riyadh, Dolly! I'll tell you now. That's Riyadh, Dolly. Yeah, it works for... Yes. I think he's on his own today.
I seen him on the road back.
Yeah, he normally rides with another guy called Jeremy. Jeremy Scott. Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Oh, can you not like this? Can you not like this? Look, look, look. Get it over the side. There, put it there. All getting right. Sorry about the bumps and everything. We're running a coil 4. The upgrade the bike. But it's still hot again. Nah. Okay.
Good.
Nah, just checking. Yeah, just checking.
Alright. Camera's not on the helmet. As you can see. Where I look, you look. Bit of a difference in the view. But we'll see. Okay. Got a long climb up. What we just ridden down, all the way back up, and then down the other side. Okay, we'll catch up with you later. I just had a snack, some juice,
get the energy built up again, and go. Alright, not going to show you the uphill ride as that could be boring, so we'll see you now. Right, we are at a bit of a rest point in the shade. It is hot out there. I think, yeah, winter is over. We need to look at starting a bit earlier in the mornings.
With me around.
With all of us. Oh, Jesse, I need to get out of bed early. I don't like getting up early. Alright, so yeah, this is probably about halfway up. I think all in all, this whole climb is probably about 5 k's long up. You can see the mountains. Oh, look at the birds up there.
Just 5 k's to the top, yeah.
Alright.
About 7 or 8.
Okay, we will catch up with you guys later. Don't forget, subscribe, LMM Family Adventures, like, share, hit the notification bell, ding ding ding, and don't forget to leave comments. Let me know what you think, or where you think I can improve, or yeah, etc, etc. Alright, catch you guys later. Okay, so we have turned off onto one of our favorite rides or pathways. Yeah, the road is nice and rocky, going to be a little bit steep, and then we're going to go down. So the wind is nice. I'm going to pull out the drone now, let it follow us a little bit, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay.
By the way, we won't be prosecuted because we've got permission. So
Yeah, we've got permission, so we won't be prosecuted, don't worry. Alright, catch up with you guys later. Okay, so we are going to go up, and now, oh, the wire. Okay, you can see the view nicely. All right, catch you, Nana. Bit of a level section over here. Yo, let's see. Okay. Okay, going off track a little bit, yeah. There's another pathway. Oh, where are we going? I'm just following Donald. Oh, the old bus. Okay, watch out for the holes. Yeah, some big holes there. Okay, old burnt out bus. Hello driver, seat for 2 please. Oh, you're not going at the moment. All right, thank you.
We've got a few minor repairs.
Okay, so he says he's got a flat wheel, he can't go anywhere. Oh, some big holes in the ground over here. Must be bush pigs or something digging. Oh, smile for the camera. I'll record Donald while he's taking photos. I bet you I'm not even in that photo. He says he's got my better side in. Alright. Yeah. quite lekker.
Ticket, Kwano.
Ja, kwano.
That's it.
Yeah. I wonder what they actually brought this bus up here for. Oh, did they used to live in here?
The workers stadium.
Oh, okay.
You see, then leave the workers here amongst the cattle and all that.
Okay.
stayed in it here.
Yeah, the piping still looks good underneath, eh? Some black piping over there. Anybody needs brake cables or something, there's hydraulic piping there.
Yeah. I stayed in there, so this was instead of the guys that look after the cattle and all that.
Okay. Almost like a mobile home until it got plugged down. Wheels got buried a bit. Yeah. Okay. Where do we go out of here now?
And I went up the other end and I noticed some more.
Yeah.
But now we're going up here.
Smell it. Oh, flowers. Okay. Walk behind the bike. Oh. Okay. And out we go. And okay. Well, that wasn't very ideal. Okay. Oh. And off we go again. Okay. A bit of fun over there. Busy watching where I was going. I didn't see the road over there. Didn't prep for it. Okay. Off we go. Catch you later. Yeah. Alright. We're going to stop here quickly. I'm going to put the drone up. Let the drone probably do a circular loop over here. Let me just get the phone out. Alright. Yeah. Up. Not going up. So now it's going up. And I'm looking at myself down here. So let's see if I walk. What is it going to do? Is it going to watch me over here? It's not watching me. No, it's watching the bike. Okay, and it's come up again. No, it's coming down again. It's 6 meters. There we go. I don't know. It's only got a choice for low and flat. Which over here, it would actually be nice to have an option for high, because then you can get above the trees. Watch your head. Okay.
What is the maximum height you do with it?
Now if I walk here,
now.
come stand here by Donald in the bath.
Where's the camera?
Camera's going that way.
Well, now you can get a nice 360 if you can, huh? Around the bush and everything.
Yeah.
The farm around us. If you can get a 360 around us, it'll be awesome.
Yeah, no, it would be.
You're 360 now.
It seems to have done a 360. And then it's going to stop and come down. Yeah. So we're done playing around with the drone a little bit for now. We'll use it again now. A few of the features I found for like the circle only does a low and a flat. It would actually be nice to have a high. So if you're in an area that's got some low bush, it will go above the bush and then circle. Whereas It's only got the flat, which doesn't take it above the bush, unfortunately. Okay, but we are now carrying on with the climb. We'll catch you guys later again. So we are past gate number 2 and we are still climbing up a little bit. Stunning views, and I am struggling today for some reason. So yeah, I had new brakes put on. I had my crank set changed from a 2838 to a 2636. There was a little bit of play in my rear wheel which has been taken out. That might be over tightened now. Something is holding me back and slowing me down. But yeah, we keep going, we keep climbing, and let's see. So I'm going to switch off for now and get you when we're there at the top. Donald's already on his way. Okay, see you now. There's some of the climbing we got to do here. So also taken off my long, what's it, 80 or 90 mil stem, and I put on a short 35 mil stem. Hence why I've had to make a contraption for the front, for the clock and camera mount. Yeah, there we go. There's some of the climbing. Okay. Okay, we are still climbing. More rocky sections. Yeah. So I've got the old system of quick release on the rear wheels, which uses like separate bearings. It's not a solid bearing. It's individual little balls. Then you put the shaft through and you tighten it up. Now if you tighten it too much, it clamps on and it forces your wheel to actually be a little bit stiff and tight, and I think at the moment that's what I'm sitting with. So yeah, I'm pedaling against some friction. I don't have the tools with me to loosen that up, so I've just got to make do with that. When I get home I'll loosen it up a little bit. I like when I take the rear wheel, I can move it a few tenths side to side, just have a little bit of play, which means free rolling but not too loose, that is rattling around, and not too tight to hold it. But today I am struggling. I've had the bike worked on during the week, so yeah, I didn't get to check everything. A few things I had to sort out again when I got the bike back. Yeah, one of those things, eh? Okay, in any case, we're going to carry on going. Donald said something the last time he was here. There was a big buck. I'm not sure if you're going to see it, but let's see what happens. Don't know how much battery power is left on this battery. I'll have to swap out now again, but for now we are going to carry on going, and if I see it, hopefully I can get the camera on in time. See you later. Okay, got a bit of a downhill section over here. Oh,
the bike and him or both. I think it's more the bike.
Must say I'm enjoying the feel of the short stem. See, I'm not coasting, yeah.
crank on?
No,
Huh?
everything is new.
Sorry?
Only the bottom bracket is the same,
Okay,
but the crank and the chain rings are the same. Eh?
is it longer or shorter crank?
Oh, the crank, I'm not too sure if it's, I think it's about the same, 75.
No, it's the same, but no. I'm going to say,
Oh,
you change the crank, it makes a whole bit difference in the head.
yeah, I must actually check because my old one was a 75 and I didn't check what this one was. I'm sure it won't be longer than 75.
Look, well, they're only going a few millimeters, like 2 millimeters of solid.
No, 5 millimeters at a time.
Goes over the whole of it, it's just 2 millimeters. Are you getting a 72.5?
Is it? Never seen it. Only seen 75, 70, 65, all the way down to I think a 55 is like the shortest for short people's legs.
People are going shorter now, they're
Yeah. Okay. So we are at this gate. This gate we cannot go through. This is different owner. So yeah, we will be prosecuted. So yeah, we're gonna have a quick break in the shade. It is extremely hot. I am burning up. Yeah. Okay, catch you later and see you down. We're gonna go down a little bit, then I'll put the drone up. So I want to make sure we got a clear, not too many trees around. And then yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, catch you later. Yeah, no, I think but then we just got to stay next to each other because it will follow whoever we started on. And then yeah, we just got to stay next to each other all the way down. So we're going to put the drone up and let it follow us down to the first gate. Then we'll see what the battery's like, because then we've got from the first gate to the next gate, between the next gate there's a turn which we're going to take, but we'll stop and take the drone off before then. So we're going to quickly put the drone up and yeah, let's see. All right, catch you now. Yeah. Okay. So hi. All right, let's go and see how this goes. Eh? Now it's going to wait a little bit. Is it following yet? Because I went underneath it. I must go past. Yeah, because I went down underneath it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you got me. All right, this way, this way, this way, this way. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. All right, we just got to make sure that it stays on and I can hear it. Is it your phone? Okay, so we've taken a little section off. We are done with the drone. Followed me down a section and then it hit the tree because I didn't keep my distance away from the tree. The DJI Neo does not have an anti-collision, unfortunately. Hopefully that's something that they will put in. Then after that we got to the first gate in any case, so I restarted it after that gate to follow Donald. Got a nice section there. Then he also went around the corner with a biggish tree and it caught the tree. So yeah, I've got it set on far and high, but it doesn't really go high. The far is fine, and yeah, speed wise, Donald says you're doing about 28 coming down that one section, 28 k's an hour, and it was sticking with him quite nicely, hanging by, so that was quite good. Yeah, so I'm very impressed at the moment. Oppa, a bit of a rocky section. Very impressed with the drone at the moment, and yeah, just going to carry on playing, learning the drone and using the footage in the video. I think it'll add a nice little touch of difference. Okay, so for now, camera's back on the chest. It's causing my helmet to bobble around too much. I'm gonna have to sort that out and see how I can get it fixed that doesn't throw my helmet around, because you don't want the helmet bouncing around on the downhill section. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, nice rocky section, going down. Hoppa. Donald's in the left track, and in the right track. I don't know which one's going to be better. Haven't been here for a while. I'm going to go over to the left now. Hoppa. Okay. Oh. Okay, go up here. Okay. Whew. Watch the rocks. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Something not crawling on my face or something. That's my rear brake squeaking. That's not right.
They're just controlling the frequency.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about.
Underneath it.
Yeah.
That's right. No, when you go slower down there, it's a lot bumpier. You know that? Now fly down here, don't get so bumpy.
This thing's overheating.
Is it? So it's there. Hey?
Yeah.
So they're sticking?
Just like.
No man, that's extra. I think just crawl under the thing. is wel responsive. They've controlled it here now. We've had a car that they're bulldozing now, that's probably why. Okay, they're going to let things finish. And this one? Yeah. We're touching a bush there, such a bush. They can control their...
You know what?
What?
This looks like, I thought they were going to put a whole new system on with calipers.
Yeah.
It looks like they've used my old Tektro calipers.
Take your calipers, yeah. You told me Shimano, I looked at Shimano.
No man, they showed me it was going to be Shimano, but that's my Tektro calipers. That doesn't help.
So the problem you've had, you still got.
Yeah,
So you just did your brakes up.
Yeah.
You carried on because you got the same burning on a downhill.
yeah.
Overheating both.
No, well, just the back started squeaking.
Oh, mine squeaks, but not overheating.
At least I've got braking power in the front. Okay, which I didn't have before. It used to just go pop. But now I've got some braking power, but the rear, which is still a little bit soft and overheating, and now I actually see why, because it's still the Tektro.
And doesn't it work properly at the back?
No, it's a little bit soft like it was previously.
Soft.
You know, yeah. And coming down something steep like that, you need your brakes.
No. Just I go through underneath here. I see they did drop it. I told them it was a bit high last time. That a calf could walk under it. Don't go that way.
Donald's gonna swim me.
I'm still going to get through this fence.
Oh, there's another fence there.
Fences.
Oh, there's two fences. Okay, all right. So I thought I was being clever. I thought I was being clever by doing that.
That's what they were doing. They were grading for electric fence, not
Yeah.
That's grading. Then the other day, there were cattle, and I checked, I thought, here there's some calves.
Yeah.
But these calves were small. Five struck back there. Amongst the cattle, the struck back that we see here.
Is it?
So that's what they graded it for the fence. Bulldozers on there.
Okay. All right. We're gonna ride down, and I'll catch you guys down the bottom. Okay, this is a little bit rough, and some of the paths that we used to ride are now behind electric fencing. It's coming down some sections over there. There's like a hole in the ground which I have to bunny up over. Yeah, not the right speed and not exactly a light bike. So my rear wheel caught it a bit. Okay, so yeah, we've got to basically make new pathways over here. Watch out for thorns and everything. And off we go. Alright. I wish I had left the camera on for that other stuff earlier. Donald caught a rock. I hit the brakes hard. Then I almost got thrown off by a hole. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see, that's why I don't really like putting the camera off. But also, I'm sure you guys don't want to watch 10 hours of footage. And me, if I record something, I normally like to show it, because I don't like the viewers to miss out on anything. Because there's always something. Yeah, in Africa, there's always something. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry guys, he called me beautiful earlier. Now Donald's telling the cows, aren't you beautiful? Earlier we were sitting and he was looking at a view and he said beautiful, And when I turned around to look at him, he was, after looking at the view, he was looking at me. So I said, oh, thank you. Hey Mukas, thank you, thank you. Come on, out the way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, watch the ruts. Okay. See, they just check you out. The cows aren't the problem, the bulls are normally the problems. But yeah, if they don't feel threatened, it should be fine. There's a whole lot here in front.
Like you think I spend a lot of time here now. Look at this shit.
Yes, like, I think we should go up there. It looks a bit cleaner.
Yeah. Because you see, they're bang with that fence. They don't go.
Yeah,
This is a nice pool.
yeah. Okay.
This is normally the time they look the worst, but they
I'm feeling alright. Okay, so yeah, this has been a nice little outing for Donald and myself. A nice little ride again. So yeah, from LMM Family Adventures, thanks for watching, thanks for the support. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and keep sharing the videos. You know, let's grow the channel and let's spread the word. Alright, so from Kariga, South Africa, Eastern Cape, from Donald and myself, LMM Family Adventures. The kids are at home, they didn't join us for today, but thank you and catch you next time.